Welcome back. Day 3 of the frame rebuild project. Today, all the paint is ready dry, so today's project is to get the frame inside the shop, and then we'll start rebuilding the hydraulics. Alright, the frame machine's in. It's a lot easier than we thought. We thought it was going to be bigger pain. So, fits nicely just like we measured out. Clears the door. But then at the same time, we'll have that area clean. So whenever we need to put a car in, it'll be a little bit of a pain. But it's worth it because that's in the corner and not taking up room. That much room. Luckily, for whatever this guy was doing with these, he only put little tack welds on there, so it makes it a lot easier for us to get it back out and use them what they're supposed to be for. Alright guys, so we got this cylinder taken apart, and that is why it was leaking and not working. That seal is completely shot. And this is the brand new seal that we got. It has this little cap that's optional in it. So we'll take that off, and we got the spring, our custom tool there. So this is a fairly simple system. So and then you got the little that'll prevent that from sliding past where it needs to go. And that's it. Got a new seal on there. We decided to make a custom modification to our frame machine, which is a light that mounts to there. If we plug it in, that should light up everything up underneath, so it's easier to see underneath the car. And we made it whereas this is adjustable, so we can point the light, and as you can see, that lights it up all the way to the end of the frame. So that should be a really good option for us. from the reviews that we've read, this stuff is supposed to be amazing. Wolf's head. Like new. And when we cleaned all the dirt off, that was actually the same color that we had laying around, so that worked out. Alright everyone, so we're almost done rebuilding all the hydraulics. We stopped and got some chains for the towers and to tie the car down. We got some ratchets to tie down the car. You can see all the pulleys, threw a little bit of paint on them. Those pumps are rebuilt already. So we just got one more pump to rebuild, which is for the frame machine itself, the one that raises this back part. So we got one rebuilt, but we got to get the second one out. So we're gonna use our quarter power to lift this up, because this side is the one that has the lock on it, and once we remove that, there's not gonna be anything to hold it up. So I'm gonna get this done, blow out the lines, put everything back together, put some hydraulic fluid in it, and see what we did. So, the final step. You're going to put a car on there. You're going to put the biggest one we have right now. Alright, well, that was fun, especially the fact that we got brand new paint. It's a little slippery, and that the one wheel keeps locking up and binding up, but we got it on there. Probably not going to have anything bigger than this, ever, but if the frame was any smaller than this, we probably wouldn't be able to get this fixed. So, looks good. Alright, well, that concludes our frame rebuild project. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment below if you have any suggestions, or if we did something that wasn't right, or if there's a better way to do something, let us know. Catch our other videos, our other rebuild projects, and we'll see you in the other videos.